இதம் காண்கின்றவான் கூட நிஜமல்ல இதம் சேர்க்கும்.
So in the last part we learned till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now after this you should grab your skirt with both hands, then 1, 2, 3 and turn. Okay, just grab your skirt, then point your right leg towards the left corner. Okay, point right leg towards the left corner, then right corner, then behind and turn. Okay, don't just move your leg like that, tilt your head along with it. Tilt to the left, tilt to the right, then again to the left and turn. Okay, now let us do it from here. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, turn. So after that it is this searching step. Okay, so it goes like this: 1, 2, 3. Place your left hand in dola and right as if you are searching something from left to right. Okay, your eyes should move along with your right hand. Okay, and you will take a step forward with your right leg, then left and right. Okay, so right leg to the left corner, then left to the front, right to the side. That's it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 5, 6. You will take 3 steps backwards. Left hand from dola to grabbing your skirt, right under your chin and search. Okay, you can take 3 steps backwards, then go to the same position like this. Okay, your head should also move as if you are searching. Okay, so it will go 4, 5, 6. Now from this position you will go like this, then turn. So for that, place your left leg to the right. Okay, like this. Slightly bend your knees and place your left leg to the right. Left hand like this horizontally and place your right on it, on the palm of your left. Then slightly peep. Don't just move your hands. Okay, you should also move your head along with it. Not like this, like this. Okay, like you're peeping. So let's do it together. 1, 2. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Then your right hand will move above your head and turn to your back. Okay, so for that you should move your right hand above your head and place it on the right like this, and left just go to the left. Okay, no need to take it above your head. Okay, so after peeping, right above your head to the side and left also to the side. Okay, right above your head and left just like that to the side. No need to move it above your head. Okay, you should do it together. Okay, like this. Okay, so along with that you should do a half turn to your back like this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us do it again from that searching step. Okay, from the here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so for that half turn to the front, then left leg keep it as such, right leg pointed to the right side, then your hands left, then right above it under your chin, then just tilt your body to the right corner. Okay, your body should face the left, only your head should move to the right corner. Okay, so let us do it again. So from here, half turn, then sway and look to the right. Okay, let us do it everything from the beginning. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, turn. Searching step, okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, half turn and look to the right. Once again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, turn. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.